Hello everybody and welcome to my Lake Guided Relaxation. Begin by closing your eyes and letting your body relax. Let go of your toes, your feet, your ankles, your calves, legs, relaxing the stomach, your chest, both arms, all the way relaxing down to your fingertips. Relax your head and neck and let your whole body feel peaceful and floaty. As you listen to my voice, let your body feel safe and secure, that all is okay right now. Everything in the world is peaceful, safe and at peace. As you are feeling calm and more calm, breathing in and out, allow yourself to imagine a still, calm lake. Notice if there are stones around your lake, or maybe there are trees. This lake is filled with fresh, still water. As you are watching the still, quiet lake, you see that the surface of the lake is so calm, it's like a mirror, a smooth sheet of glass, completely calm and completely still. You are like that lake. Allow the events of the day, the events of the classroom and the noise and the busyness to fade from your thoughts as you gaze at this calm, still lake. Now, as you are feeling that calmness in your mind and body, imagine that you drop a pebble into the water and feel the gentle ripples of peace spreading slowly and smoothly from the center of the water to fill all of you with calmness, with stillness, and with peace. Know you can return to the edge of this lake in your imagination whenever you need to reconnect with that peace and that stillness inside of you. And as you breathe deeply and inhale and exhale, you feel an overwhelming sense of calmness. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been a benefit for you and it has enabled you to relax.